An ATX file contains recorded Photoshop automation sequences, batch processing instructions that can transform hundreds of images with a single command. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you load, run, or troubleshoot these Photoshop automation files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the ATX file. I'll reveal it at the end. ATX files are action preset files for Adobe Photoshop containing recorded sequences of editing commands. They automate repetitive tasks such as resizing color, correction, watermarking, and batch processing by playing back a series of Photoshop operations on selected images. Adobe Photoshop ATX files use a proprietary binary format, storing sequential command records with parameter values, layer references, and dialog settings. Each action contains named steps that correspond to Photoshop menu commands, filter applications, and tool operations. Official support for ATX is primarily provided through Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Systems Incorporated. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows treats these files like plain text, but improper changes can disrupt system behavior. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your ATX file and click Open With. If Adobe Photoshop is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software association. If you are still having trouble opening the ATX file, do not worry. The highly specific nature of the ATX file means general fixes are useless. Let's quickly verify these essential items before we dive into the repair. First, loading actions. Open Adobe Photoshop and navigate to Window, then Actions to display the Actions panel. Click the panel menu hamburger icon and select Load Actions. Browse to your ATX file and click Load. The action set will appear in the Actions panel, ready for use. Next, running actions. Select the target image in Photoshop, then click the desired action in the Actions panel and press the play button. The action will execute all recorded steps automatically. For batch processing, use File, then Automate, then Batch to apply the action to an entire folder of images. Finally, editing actions. Expand the action in the Actions panel to view individual steps. Double-click a step to modify its parameters. Toggle the dialog icon next to steps where you want user input during playback. Delete unwanted steps by dragging them to the panel's trash icon and re-record as needed. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.